know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Alright, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, I'm here doing another live cop for you guys. A lot's been happening this week as far as finals and all that other shipping, but you know, we're getting them done. Today's my last day, I believe, and it's basically just participation, so I'm not a huge tripping if I'm late or so on and so forth, but I'm ready to get this drop right now. I'm ready to get BOGO. That's what I want. There's another BOGO coming out if you guys don't know, and it's TEES. It's in t-shirts this time. Basically, the colorways I'm going to be going for are brown and navy. I feel like those are the best colorways to go for, the safer colorways to go for, but I hear a lot of people trying to go for brown, so now I'm just like, shit, I don't know if they're doing it because of Travis Scott. I don't know if they're doing it just because they like doing brown. I don't know. I was just getting it because it's a safer route, but also the brown just looks unique to me. I mean, other than the BOGO tees, they do have like Bite tee, they have the Eat Me tee, and I like every single one of those. I like the bridge tee as well. The bridge tee is actually pretty fire. The artwork's really good. I also just like 4 out of the, I think, 6 tees that are coming out, so I'm most likely going to be copying the BOGO for sure, but I definitely want to get some personals. I feel like the Bite tee is pretty dope. I'm probably going to get that in maybe a gray and maybe black or white. I don't know yet. I think the gray looks better on it, so I might go for that. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going for. Other than that, I mean, it's just another week of BOGO, so everybody's going crazy right now. Yeah, so first on my list, like I said, I'm going to recap brown, navy, BOGOs, and then I'm going to go for the Bite tee, maybe the Eat tee, the bridge tee maybe, and the other one, I can't remember what it's called, but it has the little lady that's smoking. I think that one's pretty dope as well. It's a cool graphic. I feel like that's actually going to do well in resale in the future. But the BOGOs obviously are going to resell. I feel like it's going to be maybe no higher than like 200, 250 at the jump right now, but maybe it'll increase later in the season. I don't know, but for sure I'm definitely going to cop. Alright, so guys, it's happening right now. It is live. We are 1 minute away from the actual BOGO drop. I'm nervous as hell. My hands are cold. I'm shaking low key. I'm nervous, but I'm not as nervous as I think I would be because I copped the BOGO last week, so I'm not really hard tripping, but it's a t-shirt, so everybody's gonna go bananas over it. So hopefully I can get the brown, hopefully I can get the navy BOGO. If not, I'll get the Bite tee. If not, I'll go for like other things. So I'm not really huge tripping right now. I spent enough money as it is this whole month, but gotta make that profit, bro. Gotta do what you gotta do. Bounce back in the holidays, you know, bounce back with tax returns. And yeah. Oh man, we are live. Change to small. Oh no. Whoo! Okay, yeah, no, this isn't good. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, this isn't good, guys. This isn't good. Bro! No! Oh, no! Bruh, are you actually serious right now? Are you serious? Oh god, it's not letting me check out, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Okay. This is what we're gonna have to do, y'all. I think I might have gotten banned because I'm running a fucking... They're not sold out yet, so that's a good thing because that means a lot of people are experiencing the same thing. Bro, it is horrible. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, guys, this is horrible. This is, oh my god, my bots are like trying to add to cart, but it's like spazzing out right now. I can't even check out. I can't check out. Yo, I can't even check out. I can't check out, guys. I don't know what to do, y'all. I don't know what to do. It's not working. I can't check out. I can't do anything. It's not letting me do anything. Oh fuck. This isn't good. Oh my god, y'all, this is not good, bro. This is not good. Oh, damn it. Okay. Y'all. Did I get like banned? I can't even add to cart. I can't check out. I can't add to cart. I tried that, Royce. It won't. It's not working. Y'all, this is the most bullshit drop. Of course, the buy T would be all the way down here. Bro, I can't check out. I can't check out. What is happening? Y'all, this is horrible. Oh no. Oh, I'm about to throw up. I'm about to throw up. Oh my god.
Bruh.
Oh my god, are you actually serious, dog?
Bruh. Bruh.
What the bro? Well, I'm not getting a BOGO today, guys. It's looking bad. Oh. Going to checkout? Going to checkout? Finally? Oh. Well, I kind of expected that, to be honest. This ain't it, dog. This ain't it. They're all sold out, bro. Yo, I am livid right now. I am so livid right now, bro. You guys have no clue. What? One of my homies that never bought Supreme before literally just messaged me saying, I got the black one. But then he said, I couldn't check out. Yeah, that's everybody, bro. That's literally everybody, bro. Alright, where's... I'm hot right now, y'all. I am so hot right now. Bro, what is happening? Fuck, I'm just gonna check this out. Like... Bro, what is happening? Supreme. What is happening? My Jesus, bro. Pissing me off. pissing me off, bro. Like, I'm gonna have to keep at it. I know they're sold out, but there's restocks that. Bro, process the payment. What are you doing? I can't even pay it, dog. Oh my god, bro. Shit is pissing me off, dude.
Nope.
This drop is horrible. Cream, bro. With every inch of my body, bro. Like, on me. On me, bro. Damn. Oh, that's an L. This one's still processing. Alright, we got the bite tee. Cool, whatever. But, like my dog. BOGO, though. Alright guys, it doesn't look like I copped. I'm currently waiting for restock because I know a restock's going to happen. They're banning proxies right now as of 9 o'clock. But I'm tired. I don't want this video to be longer than it should be, but I will let you guys know. Make sure you guys go follow me on Twitter, IG, and if you're in the cook group that Boone's in, then you probably already know. I'll keep you guys updated whether or not if I did cop or not. But in the video so far, this live cop has been horrible. I mean, I copped the bite tee. I kind of want other tees as well, but I still just don't know yet. But the bite tee is pretty dope. I got it in the gray and medium, the color and size that I wanted. So that was a dub on that part. But other than that, it was horrible. Worst drop I've ever since week 1, to be honest. It's probably even worse. So that sums up my video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I know this was an anticlimactic kind of video because your boy didn't cop a box logo, but he did cop a winter tee. Most of them are sitting already, so I think it's just mainly because people are just too focused on the BOGO. But honestly, the winter tees aren't even that bad. I do plan on wearing them probably in the spring and summer, or maybe I'll just keep it for inventory for sale later. Who knows? But make sure you guys just go subscribe to my content if you'd like me doing more things like this, and make sure you guys bump a like if you guys want me to continue doing live cops. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.